Tell me something good, guys. Today we'll be smoking a ham with a raspberry chipotle and a nice marinade. Mandarin, apple, sugar, honey, glazed. So what I did is I chopped up apples. I squeezed out all the juice out of the mandarin, put some brown sugar in this, and right now what I'm doing is I'm making it become a nice little glaze. So I'm gonna let it sit there until the apples get soft, and I'm gonna smash it down. I'm gonna go on top of my ham after I take it out of the smoker. And I'm gonna be using this Chipotle rub right here, this raspberry Chipotle rub. This is my rub that I'm gonna put on in about an hour and a half. Reduce down to what you see here. You want it to be sticky. So what I'm gonna do with this, after the ham smokes for around an hour and 20 minutes, we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna season it with our Chipotle rub, and then we're gonna put that back in there for another 20 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, and then at an hour and 40 minutes, I'm gonna put this glaze on top. I have it set at 225, what you see here. 225 on top. Temperature right now is 165 because I have it open, but I have a probe in the center that's about right here in the center, and this one is heading down to the bottom to get two different temperatures. I fill the Chipotle rub on there, not the glaze, the rub right now. Oh, perfect. You see that? You want this dryness. Very important to get a dryness on there. Okay? Spray it with some soda. See this? You want this right here. It's going to caramelize it too. Now it's time to put the rub on there. This is my raspberry chipotle from Louisiana Grills. And then you want to do is you want to spray it again. Looking for a temp around 120 to 125. We're sitting at a 114. This marinade is real nice. If you look at it real closely, because this is the way you want to look at it. And we're going to pour it on top. And you try to put it everywhere. What I'm going to do is put it on here first, and then I'm going to use the brush to get it on the back side. Put all this stuff on here.